Hi everyone, thanks for joining me in this video today. If you're looking to build a website for your day spa, then you're certainly in the right place because today I'm going to be showing you how to do just that on the Mighty Sites platform. If you aren't familiar with the Mighty Sites service yet, Mighty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for a small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video and give it a go. Now, once you join the platform, registered for a free trial, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, Day Spa. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our day spa so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world your day spa is located, you can enjoy the Mighty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. Click on continue. Let Mighty Sites work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're also completely free to use. I'm sure you've got some of your own images, stunning representations of your day spa, what it looks like, and you want to showcase it on your website. You can do that. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be briefly showing you how to make a few amendments to your website that was pre-done for you. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either. So let's get cracking. I'm going to make my way to the first section, go ahead and put in my company email address as well as my phone number. Awesome. I want to make sure that box is ticked to display my email address on my website. Let's go ahead and put in our phone number that is clicked to call, by the way. I'm now going to go ahead and pop in my physical location, my street address. The great thing about that physical location is when your customers click on it, when your website's live, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's head on over to update social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom so customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going. If you want to change the colors that were pre-selected on your website for you, you can do so. You don't need to know color coding. Go ahead and click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner. Go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Plenty to choose from to suit your branding more, your message, your marketing, and your logo. Awesome. I'm just going to go ahead and select that one for now. Let's head on over to update logo. If you haven't got a logo yet, I recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of free, great options on the platform. Logo has been uploaded. Once you've uploaded it, you can make amendments, crop it, add filters, zoom in if necessary by clicking on the little pencil over the logo. Let's go ahead and click save. We can make it bigger and smaller if need be. Awesome. Over here in the next section, let's go ahead and update our image. You can browse your device and upload your own, otherwise search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Awesome. Let's head on over to update content. Over here, you can change the contents for each section. Button can link to various places. Go ahead and choose a link. You can link to another website. Maybe you offer calendar booking websites. Or an action like click to call, directions, click to email. But a great option is to upload a PDF file, maybe with your treatment menu of the various packages and pricing points for your day spa. Awesome. For each section, if you want to make amendments to that photo or that content, go ahead and click on update, 'Update' 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 ' Awesome. And the last section over here is where you can update your business hours. Go ahead and put all your trading hours over here, and they will be displayed in the last section over here. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. So I already have a domain, go through the various steps in linking it. It's super simple. If you don't have a domain yet, maybe you've recently launched your business, click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the MultiSite platform. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website on the MultiSite platform for your day spa. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions, features you'd like to see in future on our platform, all you need to do is comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.